Okay, we're here for the daily Forex report for April 25th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair has moved higher on Friday, closed higher, did gap down just a hair, but nothing significant. We are looking for this pair to continue overall moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially move as high and hit resistance at 94.33, possibly moving as low as 93.75 and hitting support at that level. Now let's take a look at the Euro USD pair. This particular pair closed up on Friday. However, it did break previous support, moving down, but did close higher. It did gap down 25 pips, so we'll look for that to retrace prior to the week's end. We are looking for this pair overall to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 134.54, possibly as low as 131.21. Look for some resistance around 134.01 and look for some support around 132.02. Okay, now the pound US dollar pair. This particular pair did gap up at the open about 10 pips, nothing significant. Closed down just by a little bit on Friday after having a very large range. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 154.70, possibly as low as 152.03. Look for some resistance around 154.25 and look for some support around 152.95. Now let's take a look at the US Swiss. This pair closed down on Friday after moving much higher, breaking previous resistance, did close down. Overall, this pair is moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 10912, possibly as low as 10671. Look for some resistance around 10801, and look for some support around 10714. Okay, now this, as far as news analysis go, we really don't have any significant news announcements for Monday's session, for this session basically. We are looking for the pound US dollar pair. This that has created a swing trade setup. It's a good ways from the market. However, if the market does come down, did gap up, so the momentum should be to the downside. If we get a break here, look for it to continue lower. And let's take a look at kind of what that looks like real quick. There we go. Like I said, good ways from the market. Not sure if it'll get there, but look for a break and then look for it to come on down to this level. Let's take a look at how many pips that would be if we get there. Be roughly about 83 pips if this were to move lower. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it, see if it will get there. It has a good ways to go, so I'm not sure it will get there all in one move, but we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Now, the pound US dollar pair does have this would be about 180 pip range. It does have those ranges, so definitely keep an eye on this pair. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.